here at the Dynamax factory just in time for our tour. Hopefully we're going to be able to bring the camera along and kind of show you some tidbits of what we've seen. The whole purpose of this trip is to kind of get a really good idea of what it takes to build a Dynamax and get a better idea of the internals of the RV itself. I know the factory is going to be loud, so there's probably not going to be a whole lot of audio, but we'll catch some glimpses as we go. Well, we'll see you in there. Have fun, guys.
At this stage, a lot of stuff has yet to be finished, interior walls and such. Cab over bunk needs to be finished. A lot of stuff from here on going down the line is just those not small details, those big details, and then just buttoning up things. So like putting on different trim pieces, sealing up different things, covering those with panels. The balances will get put in soon. On the outside, a lot of trim is going to be putting on utility panel covers.